overkill. There are a lot of bad review about it, but since I'm only using water-based stain, maybe I think I'll give it a shot. For $20, it's cheaper than a couple of a brush. Ready to go. Time to clean up. Deal with this guy later. Okay, everything's dry. Time to put them back together. It's very straightforward. The pump mechanism is very simple. If you don't remember how to put them back together, there's always a diagram. Since I'm doing long-term storage for this, I don't use it for a while, I'm just gonna, instead of following the instruction, I'm just gonna put oil lubricant in this piston in here. Spring in. then you want to put this back in. Now sometimes you have difficulty to put it in. This is not tight, although you can see it actually. Hopefully you can see it. You want to twist and push, so completely sink down first. Got it. Put this little thing in. Put the nozzle back. We'll use the key. So put this back on. I want to mention this thing actually will not stay. I think they're made with high density polymer, so nothing stick, which is a good thing. So is the container. Inside is pretty clean already. It's pretty easy. So it's done. Let's go take a look at the fence. Fence looks very good. Absolutely a doable project with the little electric sprayer. The sealer is nice. Look at the water droplets. Hopefully it will last for a few years. Actually, they also have a clear sealer that I can spray on top of it every couple of years or something. It will last. Okay guys, so the project is completed as a final work for this little electric sprayer. I think it worked okay to spray stain on the fence. The biggest complaint that I have with it is actually it has overspray and it's uneven spray. When it comes on to the fence board, I have to use the brush to even it out. But I think that's not too much trouble. I mean, consider it's only $21 or something. So, well, definitely not a 5-star product, but 3-star. It's very easy to clean, which the part that I actually like it a lot. And hopefully it will last a few more jobs with it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. And please like, share, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It will help support me, and I'll definitely post more interesting video for you guys. Alright, see you next video.